And the race on Bull Rock, Matter of Honor, unopposed alongside, running down on the inside, Devil Rising, My Treasure running in the middle, on the federal side, Rose and Fire, Bloodline and Madera is the early trailer. Bull Rock by some 2 lengths, Matter of Honor. Devil Rising is racing in third by another 2 lengths. Rushing up from the outside is My Treasure. Alongside unopposed, Devil Rising, Rose and Fire, Madera as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Bull Rock by 2, Matter of Honor. The favorite, My Treasure, is now racing in third by some 4 lengths. Alongside unopposed, Bloodline, Devil Rising, Rose and Fire, Madera is still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Bull Rock by 2, Matter of Honor. My Treasure getting closer in third. Unopposed, on the inside, Devil Rising, Bloodline. Rounding the far turn, Bull Rock, Matter of Honor, My Treasure, Bloodline moving up by Daral, unopposed. Last 450, Bull Rock, Matter of Honor. Then here comes My Treasure rushing up from the outside as they race the final corner. Bull Rock followed now by My Treasure. Matter of Honor in the middle alongside is unopposed. Last 250, Bull Rock and My Treasure is on the outside. My Treasure is now the leader. Bull Rock down on the inside and Bloodline. My Treasure this time by some 2 lengths now and nearing the finish line. Mr. Hubert Young on My Treasure. Rose and Fire, number 1. Bull Rock, 2/3.